Cryptocurrency and investment scams. Cryptocurrency has taken the financial world by storm, but where there's money, there are scammers. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, it's crucial to stay aware of the risks in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into some of the most common cryptocurrency and investment scams, so you can protect your money and stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Chapter 1. Crypto rug pulls and Ponzi schemes. Let's start with rug pulls, one of the most common scams in the crypto space. In a rug pull, developers launch a cryptocurrency project, gain people's trust, and then suddenly withdraw all the funds, leaving investors with worthless tokens. It's called a rug pull because it's like pulling the rug out from under you. Another classic scam is the Ponzi scheme. In these, scammers promise high returns on investments, but in reality, they're paying earlier investors with money from new investors. Eventually, when new investments stop coming in, the whole thing collapses, and the scammer walks away with your money. Chapter 2. Fake trading platforms and wallet drainers. Next, let's talk about fake trading platforms. Scammers set up websites or apps that look like legitimate crypto exchanges. They offer high profits or exclusive deals, only to steal your funds once you deposit money. Always check for official licenses, reviews, and security certificates before using any platform. Similarly, wallet drainers are malicious programs designed to steal your cryptocurrency. Once you connect your wallet to an infected platform or app, the scammer can gain access to your private keys and drain your funds. Keep your private keys offline and never share them with anyone. Chapter 3. Romance scams, pig butchering. Romance scams or pig butchering are another threat. Scammers build relationships with victims over time, pretending to be interested in a romantic connection. After gaining their trust, they convince the victim to invest in a fake crypto opportunity. Victims often end up losing everything they've invested, both emotionally and financially. Chapter 4. Red flags to watch for. So, how do you spot these scams? Here are some red flags to watch for. Promises of guaranteed returns, especially if they sound too good to be true. Pressure to invest quickly or secrecy around the investment. Unsolicited investment offers or advice from strangers or unknown sources. Lack of transparency or untraceable development teams. If you see any of these signs, walk away. Chapter 5. Protective measures. To protect yourself. Do your research. Always verify the legitimacy of crypto projects before investing. Use trusted platforms with secure payment methods. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and keep your wallet details private. Be skeptical of unsolicited investment opportunities even if they seem promising. Conclusion. Cryptocurrency can be a great investment, but it's important to stay informed and cautious. By knowing the red flags and taking the right precautions, you can keep your assets safe from scammers. Stay vigilant and always remember, when it comes to investments, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on staying safe in the digital world. See you in the next video.